At Eosta, our mission extends beyond commerce. We believe that food can be a powerful force for positive change. By working with growers and partners around the world, we strive to build transparent and sustainable supply chains. These chains respect nature, farmers, and future generations. Our focus is on organic and biodynamic agriculture, which restores soil health and biodiversity. We see this as essential to addressing the climate and food crises. Innovation plays a key role in how we operate. From traceability systems to impact measurement, we aim to make sustainability measurable and meaningful. Collaboration is at the heart of everything we do. Together with our partners, we create value that goes beyond profit. This is how we work toward a food system that is fair, resilient, and regenerative. Welcome to Eosta, where ecology meets economy.